God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Today I want to talk to you from the heart about God's mercy. We as God's people need to have mercy on one another. Jesus died that we might be free. But he wants us to have mercy on our fellow Christians. This is very important. All of us have failed. There's not one of us that is perfect in ourselves. So when we see a brother or sister fail, we need to have mercy upon them and restore them with a spirit of meekness, that lest we also be tempted. To those of you who have failed and have come to Jesus and repented, I want you to know that God hasn't changed his mind. He's not a man that he should repent. He loves you. He still has a purpose for your life. He hasn't changed his mind. Come to Jesus. He will help you, and God's people need to forgive you also and help you to fulfill your purpose in God, in Jesus.